It's hot in this garage. Whew. Could you imagine trying to get a wrench in there? I don't think so. There's Whew, man. Okay, so now I have to disconnect all these wires. It really looks worse than it truly is. And, some of these I have LEDs and others I have just the regular bulbs because there was no need for LEDs really on everything. Like the door ajar. I don't think so. So, again, if you're not making a video, this is a lot easier. All right, guys, I'm gonna need both hands. Okay, I think I got everything unplugged. And this looks pretty precarious over here. I don't want to scratch things. And of course, I'm trying to bring you along. Oh, there's one little rebel that doesn't even have a bulb. What the heck? Yeah, that's a rogue. I guess I didn't put a bulb. Oh no, the bulb is in there, all right. My car hates me. So anyway, don't get discouraged when you get to this point. You will be able to put it back together. The question is, will I? Stay tuned. So before I forget, because I always do, I need to remove, whoops, my hands are in the way. There's always something. It's a tiny little screw here for the clock thingy. Let's try to do this like that. Little screws. I'll try to work fast. Ta-da! Now's a good time to clean all of these things. Oh, look at this little guy. He tried to run away. Okay, so oil pressure. This sucker is going to be replaced. Okay, so these actually are, what size is this? 5/16. And as you can see, there's this resistor. Seems to be okay. Well, I don't know. And then we have these copper terminals. So we're going to keep them one to each side so we don't get confused, and a little plastic spacer. And now, ta-da! Oil pressure. So let me get a new one. And let's see what we have in here. Yes, we have a brand new unit. Oh, this one has the spacer, the nuts, same size. Yep. Good. Has the washers. We only need to reuse this one here. and of course the terminals. Okay, so basically what you're going to do with the replacement unit is just drop it in place and carefully flip it. It's done. Oh yes, this little guy here. Just snug him up a little bit there. So, okie dokie. Damn, that is sharp. Damn. Okay, I hate that. I need to call my attorney. Damn, it never fails. So we're done here. And I think it looks okay. Very factory. Okay, so I have it partially installed, and the reason being is I want to test, make sure that everything is working properly and there's no surprises. So we try that. Let's turn that off. It's all screwed up. Battery is good. Fuel is good. Water temp, of course, is cold. Look at the freaking oil pressure. Ah. What a mess. Let me see if something is not plugged properly or something like that. All right, take two. And what I did is, because it's a newer unit, I took out the resistor. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. Look at that. Let's start it up. Okay, so this is the old gauge, but what I decided to do is I had another old resistor, or whatever these things are called. This little thing with all those wires in there. I think it's a resistor. And you can see the wires, the blue is on the left, the pink is on the right, so that is all connected properly. And I think I can start the car like this. Hopefully there's not going to be any shorts. Oh Lord. We'll see if this one works. I think we need a ground. I forgot. Well, after about 2 hours of fiddling with this thing, let me start it up. We're back to original gauge. I cannot seem to fix the problem. I think I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure that the reason this gauge is not working, I think the gauge is okay. I'm sorry, man. I'm so hot out here in the garage. It's just unbearable. Anyway, the reason I think the gauge is okay, I think the problem is that resistor, or whatever the technical name is. I tried the new whatever Craigslist gauge, that didn't work. I swapped the resistor, that helped, but nothing like this, and it was even worse. So I kind of fixed the problem, then I broke it even more. So anyway, for the time being, I'm just gonna keep it like this, and then one day when I'm ready to even fix the clock and all of that, I'll buy new gauges. And so yeah, about 2-3 hours of messing around with this, fixing a few little things that needed attention, but what a frustrating experience. And it's 100 degrees in this garage at least. So anyway, I'm not going to keep on rambling, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.